Welcome to Car Alerts, your go-to channel for all things automotive. From the latest news to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. Join us as we navigate the fast lane of the car world, delivering straightforward updates and insights to keep you informed and entertained. Today we're diving deep into the world of electric performance with the Hyundai IONIQ 5N in the city. A concrete jungle where efficiency reigns supreme. But for some, efficiency is just the beginning. They crave exhilaration, a surge of adrenaline that jolts them from the everyday. The IONIQ 5N is the latest addition to Hyundai's high-performance N lineup, known for its track-worthy capabilities. But this time, they've channeled that same racing spirit into a fully electric vehicle. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this electric thunderbolt tick. The IONIQ 5N isn't afraid to stand out from the crowd. Its sharp lines, sculpted fenders, and aggressive stance hint at the power lurking beneath the sheet metal. Those pixelated LED daytime running lights are a signature N design element, adding a touch of futuristic flair. In the back, the sloping roofline and wing-like spoiler give it an aerodynamic profile that screams performance. Slide into the driver's seat, and you're greeted by a driver-centric cockpit designed for maximum comfort and control. The N Sport seats hug you in tight, providing excellent support during spirited driving. The steering wheel is wrapped in grippy Alcantara, perfect for those precise maneuvers. Everything you need is within easy reach, keeping your focus on the road ahead. And of course, you get a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system to keep you informed and entertained. Now let's talk about the real star of the show, performance. The IONIQ 5N boasts dual electric motors that produce a staggering amount of horsepower and instant torque. That translates to exhilarating acceleration that will pin you to your seat. 0 to 60 happens in a blistering. Consult specs for exact time seconds. But it's not just about straight line speed. The IONIQ 5N handles like a dream. The suspension is tuned for a balance of comfort and responsiveness, allowing you to attack corners with confidence. Electronic driving aids like launch control and variable regenerative braking further enhance the driving experience. Thanks for riding along with us at Car Alerts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more thrilling car content.